I was told that the people that left are tenants in where they are staying. So the people that are here are landlord for their house. So if you know you're a landlord, put your hands together for yourself. Right here this evening, I am here with a man who is my interpreter. This young one you are seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, in Imo State, they call this man Owane Tirora 1. In Anambra State, this man you are seeing here, this man is Ochendo 1 of Anambra State. This man you are seeing here, this man is the Guruguru 1 of Orifete. So where are you going to?
No be me, you go kill.
So what do you mean by that?
Shebi, I don't tell you. Make you know
Sam, I don't understand you tonight. Sam, I was just trying to package it for them.
How you gonna package me in front of people who will help me?
Sam, I was reading your profile before them.
Every time you go there, read my profile. You no get profile.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, on this special day, I want to appreciate this young man. This young man from day one has supported my ministry. He has been of good help to my ministry. He has supported my ministry. He has been a blessing to my ministry. Sam, I appreciate you so much.
Okay. So this thing, where we do this? When you tell me say na missionary journey. Now, when they hustle, who don't carry us from Abuja, who come Lagos, you can't say na your ministry.
Sam, God called me and I picked it from the dungeon.
God will call you?
Yes.
Not even hold my phone number. No problem. Who sees now where God who bless us, you who can't say now your ministry. You go preach, interpret for your ministry.
Sam, I don't understand.
Shebi, you say I support your ministry. You go there, preach, interpret for yourself.
Sam, I was just playing around. Please come back, please.
Hey!
Be careful the way you shout.
Now they walk.
My father.
My mother.
My father.
My mother.
I said my father.
Your father, not be my father now.
This wonderful.
Wonderful.
Sam, you have followed me all this while and you are still calling stamina. Sam, I will deliver you tonight. Sam, I pray for you. Any foul spirit in your life,
Leave her for me.
thou foul spirit.
Leave her for me.
Why?
Now you're foul.
Because of today,
Because of this wonderful program,
we are in the wilderness last week.
we there inside bush last week.
I said wilderness.
Nigeria no get wilderness. Na bush we get. Now make we get Anu Bada. We don't hear wilderness meat before. Na bush we get. This wonderful. If you hit me, I'm going to interpret them. We want to appreciate somebody for our needs.
In just few years,
For few years.
this man has produced 3 movies.
We don't produce.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies for.
I want to appreciate Ayo Mako.
We appreciate somebody where would they who call organic
Sam, I was talking about AY. What am I saying?
With the dog.
This wonderful evening.
Wonderful.
Sam, go to the book of Colossians 2 verse 5.
Now you go read Akolo by yourself.
I said Colossians.
Read Akolo by yourself.
Sam, can you go to the book of Titus 2 verse 2? Titus 2:2. Are you there with me?
They don't buy and finish.
I said Titus.
No be fish.
I mean Titus in the Bible.
You for say Titus in the Bible.
Sam, go to the book of Psalms 126 verse 1. Psalms 126 verse 1.
I down here now. If you dey talk, he go dey enter, he go dey come out.
Psalms 126 verse 1.
He know dey.
What do you mean by that?
Waiting I see here now. Pisam.
The psalm that I see is actually the psalm itself. The Peter is silent.
Make them kukuma come out am now. If you know they work anything for Bible.
Go ahead and read. How much time? We have for the truth.
When the Lord
did what?
I never know what you need to do now.
Good night, Lagos. Good night.
All right, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got a surprise act for you right now. Okay, I know you're waiting also for Smart Doctor. He's backstage, but for now we've got